Hey guys, welcome back to Happy Kid Adventures. Today we are unboxing the Zuru Max Build More. Now, yeah, it's a butterfly. Whale. And maybe that's like a dinosaur or a crocodile. Yeah. Whale and a spaceship. Should we tell them what's inside?
What?
So you get 253 pieces of that. Ooh, what's inside? You get 253 pieces.
Look.
Wow.
And that. Look.
Yeah, it's like Lego. They are compatible with major brands. So they are compatible with major brands, which I am assuming means Lego. We have a few Legos, so I will test them out afterwards. Yeah, this was only $15 from our local warehouse. I think the going price on it is $18, and there's also a bigger box that is available to purchase. Yeah, it comes like this, and you get all of this inside. Yep. You want to open it? Well, come sit here.
Okay.
So you get, are you ready to open and see what's inside?
Yeah.
Okay. You get all these pieces inside.
Yeah.
Now we're going to open it.
Yeah.
Okay. What's inside? Ready to open it? Wow. Yep, we can open that. So it comes with a green packet, pink, yellow and brown in this packet. This one has wheels and fire. Probably like little important bits that you'll need to make things. This is a purple and blue packet. It comes with eyes. It also has this booklet inside. And I guess it's just, oh yeah, look, those are the eyes. There's some eyes on these. And I guess this book is to give you ideas on what you can build. So it's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. So this is just telling you again what's included in the pack. We'll open it in a minute, hold on. And yeah, it just tells you how many of what you need to build something. This is pretty cool. So they've got, what was that, a lion? Was that a lion? A dog? A whale? I'm assuming it's a sheep. A butterfly. This is the crocodile that was on the front. A robot. And then the spaceship. So that all comes in this box, so it's nicely to put away and everything. I'll just get some Lego pieces to see if they actually do fit. So this is an actual Lego piece, and I'll open that packet to see the comparisons. Okay, so this is a normal Lego piece, and this is the Zuru piece. And they fit perfectly. It's not too tight, not too loose. So yeah, it is compatible with Lego. Lego can be perfectly tucked away in this container. It's got locks, so it's very secure. At the front of the booklet it actually says what each build is. Yeah, I didn't see that before, but I'm going to attempt to build this lion. I've set out all the pieces here that we will need to build the lion, so let's build a lion. So there it is, the lion. That's pretty good. Here, I'll show you a picture. And this is what it turned out like. Yeah. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Wow.
So cool. We had fun building this. It was a little stressful as per all Lego builds, but I think it turned out so cute. Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, don't forget don't forget to subscribe and let me know what other kind of videos you guys want to see. And we made the lion, didn't we?
Yeah.
So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and we will see you in our next video. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.